Hi guys, today we're going to work on day 4 of factors and multiples. Let's take a quick look at our daily goals and objectives. I can describe what a multiple is and how it relates to factors, find the common multiples of a given number, and determine if a number is a multiple of another number. Our essential question is, what are multiples? Please take a minute and take the check mark and move it to where you are at on these key learning targets. Hopefully you're starting to get more in this yes column. Let's take a look at slide number 4, finding multiples of 8. So we are going to do similar to what we did on Tuesday. Which of these numbers down here are multiples of 8? Remember, a multiple is the answer. It's the product. So if I have multiples of 8, so I would do 8 times 1 equals what? 8. Oops, not 9. 8 times 2 equals 16. This 16 is a multiple of 8. 8 is also a multiple of 8. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at all these different numbers down here, and you're going to determine if 8 equals any of these numbers. 8 times something equals any of these numbers. So let's try it. 8 times 1, we already did it, equals 8. Well, I don't see 8 as a choice down here. 8 times 2, oh, that was 16. Oh, right there, 16. So 16 is a multiple of 8. 8 times 3, let's do that on my chart here. 8 times 3 equals what? What does 8 times 3 equal? 24. Do you see 24 down here? No, I do see 27, but I'm not going to put that on. Let's try another one. 8 times 3, or 8 times 4, sorry. 8 times 4 equals 32. Do you see 32? Oh, I see it right here. I'm going to take 32 and I'm going to put it in there. When you're done and you've found all the multiples of 8, everything else that's remaining down here is not a multiple of 8. For example, the number 4 is not a multiple of 8, and so that is going to come into this box right there. So take your time. Remember, you can always create a multiplication chart on the side of your paper by clicking the T for the text box, creating a box, and you can create your 8s right there. You can also use your multiplication chart to help you. Slide number 5 is identical to slide number 4, except for you're dealing with multiples of 9. So remember, 9 times something equals these numbers down here. And if it's not a multiple of 9, then it goes over here. Common multiples. Common multiples of 2, common multiples of 3. So think about your 2's. What times 2 equals any of these numbers? Remember, multiples of 2 end in even numbers. Multiples of 3, you add them up and divide by 3. And if they divide by 3, then they are a multiple of 3. Do they both share a multiple? That's a hard one to decide, but take your time and I'll bet you'll find a few. Common multiples of 4 and 5. There's a video right here for you to watch about this. I'll make it bigger for you. Make sure you watch the video. What's the difference between a factor and a multiple? Please watch this video and then write your answer in on these 2 lines. The last slide is there is a Quizlet. You have 3 math facts to memorize. 3 times 3 equals 9. 7 times 6 equals 42, and 8 times 6 equals 48. In 10 days, we'll have our facts mastered. That's all for today. I will see you at 11:30. If you have any questions, you can always join our math group right now. Thanks. Bye.